Hi, my name is Chelsea from SIB Visions, and today I'm going to show you some of the basic UI elements that you can use in VisionX. To start, I need an existing screen, so I will click on Design and choose for my example the customer screen. On the left side here, you can see some standard or basic elements. On the bottom, I have the editors that I have created previously for my screen. Now let's take a closer look at, for example, the New button. Once I click on the editing pencil, I can of course edit it as I wish. I can change the name, I can choose whether or not I have a border. I can also change the image. By clicking on search, I have the option to upload an image, which will put it here, or maybe choose something from the image library, where there are many options. I could also choose something from the font. This can be very helpful as I can easily change the size to match my text. Let's also take a look at my menu button. The menu button is a standard element you can find on the left-hand side. It has a little arrow on the right side that produces a menu of some sort when clicked. Clicking on the editing pencil, I can see the editing options like with the New button. But you can see down here another editing pencil specifically for the pop-up menu. Clicking on it, I can add or remove different options I want to be included or unincluded. Here I have two options, delete and export. When I go to my screen proper, I can see that I have them to choose from in my pop-up menu. Going back to the designer, I can have a look at my table. As I said before, the data model for the table comes from the bottom. Up at the top, we can click on details, which will show us a group panel. A group panel is a container, which in turn is an element that can have children, so we can have other elements like labels and editors, etc. Underneath, we have a panel that you can't otherwise see. A panel is also a container that can have children, and we find it on the left-hand side as well. We also have elements such as a scroll panel, which is useful when your screen is quite small. Further down, we have elements like a split panel or a tab set panel, but we will look at that in further videos. And that's an introduction to some of our basic elements. Thank you so much for watching.